Hello everyone. So it's been a while since we did a video. I hope you guys will like this one. I have to be kind of quiet because it's Saturday morning at 8 a.m. and my roommates are not up. So basically I'm going to be making pancakes from only 2 ingredients, sweet potato and eggs. I can't promise you this is gonna work. This is just what I have and I was like, why not try it? So yeah, if you don't like sweet potato or you haven't tried sweet potato yet, what's wrong with you? It's amazing. We're gonna start. Basically, I have 1 sweet potato, but I'm gonna be using half a cup mashed, and then I'm going to use 2 eggs. So first you gotta cook this. So basically, how you just do that, I'm just gonna microwave it, but make sure you pierce it first, otherwise it will explode. So I'm gonna do that. Just so you guys know, in case you've never cooked a microwave, in case you've never cooked a sweet potato in the microwave before, I have like a potato setting. You just press potato, how many, 1, and then start. Which this microwave put it at 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So just do a few minutes and then check the softness. You know, you should be able to figure it out. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make some berry sauce, like jam, I guess, but kind of. But the jams here, where I can buy them, are like loaded with added sugar. So I'm going to put a bunch of frozen berries, berry blend, into the pot and melt them up, and then I'll have nice, creamy, liquidy berry sauce for the pancakes. We're gonna see if it works. Okay, so now I'm mashing up the sweet potatoes. So it goes from this to that when you whisk it all up. Okay, so basically with my mixture, I'm just gonna use a tablespoon and make mini pancakes, because why not? Mini's fun, right? So I'm gonna do this and I'll let you know how she goes. Maybe 2 tablespoons for 1 pancake. Okay guys, so I'm gonna say like 3 minutes on each side ish, like check on them, but that's what I'm seeing to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. I'm so happy it's working. Yes. I don't know if you can see me flipping this, bro. See that? Yes. Oh, they're actually pancakes. Oops. Jam looks like right now. I don't know if you can see that. I almost just spilled it. Okay, so they will look like pancakes, but you're probably like, April, do they even taste good? we're gonna try one like just plain, and I will tell you my opinion. Yes, guys, yes. Oh my gosh. Try it. It's so good. I'm actually super excited right now, but I can't be super loud because my roommates. Oh my god. Oh my god. They taste so good. Okay guys, to recap, I used half of a sweet potato, which was half a cup mashed. I used 2 eggs, whisked them together, about 2 tablespoons on the pan. I talk a lot with my hands. 2 tablespoons on the pan, flip them. And for the berry sauce, just melt frozen berries with a little bit of water and drizzle it on top. And then I added some cinnamon on top just for a little bit more flavor. But honestly, they're amazing. Please try them. 2 ingredients, so healthy. And the recipe that I just described makes I did 4 mini ones and 1 big one, so 6 pancakes, 6 mini pancakes is what that makes. So you can double it, triple it, whatever you want to do. But I hope you like this video. I hope you like the recipe. And yeah, stay tuned for more college survival guide content. And thanks for watching.